Namaste. Take a moment to settle your body into a position that feels open, yet supported. With your feet resting on the ground, if you're sitting, hands resting gently on your lap, palms open to receive, and if you're lying down, you might want to cover yourself with a blanket or a shawl just because your body temperature might drop. When you're ready, you're welcome to soften your gaze, close your eyes, or look into the distance. And we'll take 3 deep, full, nourishing breaths in through the nostrils, exhale out from your mouth. And as you allow your breath to begin to slow down, just observe this velvety warm breath moving in and out of your body, like a tide that knows exactly how to return home. And as you melt into this moment, you begin to sense something far off in the distance. A soft glow, a subtle shimmer in the air. And you may glimpse a crystal sphere floating towards you. This sphere moves with the energy of desire itself. Pure life force desire. The desire to awaken, to expand, to remember your body as sacred. As it drifts closer, you may notice the warm colors swirling inside the sphere. Hues that remind you of blush, honey, rose, ember, the colors of your own inner fire. And slowly, effortlessly, the sphere begins descending towards one of your hands. You don't need to choose. Your body will choose for you. And as you allow this sphere to land, feel the subtle weight or the lightness. Feel the warmth rising from it like steam from sun-warmed skin. Your hand might tingle or pulse or just rest beneath it. Imagine yourself gazing into the sphere, allowing your mind and your breath to be drawn gently inward. As you look inside, you see a reflection of your own sexual energy, not the performative kind, not the pressured kind, but that ancient, innocent, holy energy that you were born with. The natural river of pleasure, the pulse of creation in your belly, the energy that makes flowers blossom, oceans swell, and bodies hum with aliveness. And with every breath, you feel that energy begin to awaken ever so gently. A warmth at the base of your spine, a soft expanding in your pelvis, a glow in your lower belly, like a candle being lit from within. There is no need to rush, no need to intensify. You simply allow. And the more you gaze into this crystal sphere, the more the energy inside you begins to move. Like slow honey, like warm rain, like silk sliding across your skin. This is your energy, your birthright, your inner fire reawakening. And when you're ready, allow yourself to drift into the sphere, as if stepping inside the very essence of your sensuality. Inside this sphere, you meet the part of you that feels safe in your pleasure, the part of you that knows your body is sacred, the part of you that remembers. That awakened sexual energy is simply life force flowing freely. Take your time here. Feel the glow, the softness, the subtle electricity, the gentle waves of sensation that remind you you are alive. When your body is ready, you drift back out of the sphere, returning to your hand, still holding it, still receiving its warmth. And in the distance, another sphere begins to appear, floating towards your other hand. This one carries something new: sensual confidence, radiance, and freedom. When it reaches your hand, notice how it feels, how this energy is similar or different. Let yourself be curious, open, receptive. And again, gaze into the sphere. Let yourself be drawn inward until you are inside it. This sphere shows you visions of yourself, fully expressed, fully alive, deeply connected to your sensual power. Perhaps you see yourself moving with confidence. Perhaps you feel a deeper pulse of aliveness. Perhaps you sense a future version of you who is unashamed, open-hearted, vibrant with pleasure and self-love. Try on that future. Feel it. Embody it. Allow it to imprint itself gently into your being. When the moment feels complete, the spheres begin to rise, lifting from your hands, floating back into the sky, leaving a warm echo of sensual life force still pulsing through you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, feeling your whole body alive, warm, open, and profoundly safe. I'll count down from 1 to 3. 1. Beginning to return. 2. Feeling your body, your breath, your space. 3. And thank your body, your mind, and your breath. Namaste.